Hi guys, Miss Young here. Today I'm going to be doing 4 videos to go through my process that I do in my classroom for multiplication and division. Each multiplication and division will get 2 different strategies to use. Hope this helps. Have a great day. See you later. Hi everyone, here's the last video for today. We're going to work on division using the area model. So this one's going to look very similar to our division. We're setting it up the same way. This looks very similar to our area model of multiplication, where we're setting it up the same way. We're using the same box kind of method, and it's going to look very similar to our Big 7, just kind of set up differently, still using an in and out chart. So if you remember, when we look at division, we have 169 divided by 3. That's 169 cupcakes divided by 3 groups equals the number in each group, or we can say 169 divided by 3, which is 169 cupcakes, given 3 at each time, how many people get cupcakes? That's what we're going to work with again today. So area model. Just like in multiplication, the first thing we need to do is put the numbers into a expanded form. We're only going to expand the dividend. Even if this number was 13, we are not going to expand 13, only expanding the dividend. So to expand it, we put 100 plus 60 plus 60 plus 9. To start, we're going to draw our box. We need to make sure that we have room for the box and we have room for our in and out chart. So I'm going to draw my box. It doesn't have to be super big. And then my my divisor, that's my 3, goes on the outside. And then my expanded form, different from multiplication, will go on the inside. Because we have to remember that with division, 169 divided by 3 equals a question mark. When we do multiplication, these are related, just the opposite direction. So question mark times 3 equals 169. So 169 total, divided into 3 groups, divided into groups of 3 equals the number of groups. So this would be the number of groups with 3 inside gives me 169. So when we think about multiplication, our 2 factors go on the outside and our products are on the inside. Our total this time is going to go on the inside, and our total and our dividend on the inside. The other one's on the outside. So 100 plus 6 D plus 9. Notice that there's no lines drawn yet until I get my plus signs. Where my plus signs are, I'm just going to draw over them with my lines. So now I'm all set up. I need to have my in and out chart. This one we're going to add quite a few more numbers in the outside column just in case we need them. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So out and in. So outside I'm going to go all the way through 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, and I'm going to go up 30, 40, 50, and 60. This way I have a bigger chance of having the numbers closest to this, and I don't have to regroup so much. My inside column, I'm going to skip count. 3, so it's 1 times 3 gives me 3. 2 times 3 gives me 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3, 6, 9, 18. Sorry, nope. Jumping ahead. 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. And then this is going to be 60, 90, 120, 150, and 180. Now that my in and out is ready and my area model is ready, we can work on it. So it's the same way. I have 100 total items. I need to give them away in groups of 3, so 100 cupcakes in groups of 3. I need to figure out how many people can get those 100 cupcakes. So when I look at my chart now, I have a really large amount that I can pick from. So I start at the bottom and see what gets me closest. 180, too many. 150, too many. 120, too many. 90. If I have 100, I can give 90 away. So I'm going to write 90 in my box. Inside, outside. Inside, outside. So if I gave 90 away, 30 people got a cupcake. Now I need to know how many of those hundreds I have left. So I'm going to subtract. 100 minus 90 is 10. I have 10 of these cupcakes left. I can add them to this 60 and get 70 cupcakes left. So I'm going to rewrite 70 over here. Now I have 70 cupcakes that I need to get rid of. I'm going to give 3 of them to each person. How many people can get a cupcake? I go back to my list. 180, too many. 150, too many. 120, 90, 60. There's 60 here. So that means that I can give 60 away and then still be okay. So I have 70. 60 is going to be given away. So I did my inside, outside. So 60, 20. 20 people got a cupcake. Got 3 cupcakes actually. So now I need to know how many I have left. So 70 minus 60 is 10 again. So I'm going to take that 10 and put it in the ones column. Now I have 19 cupcakes to give away. So I go back, big, 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 27's too big, 24, 24, 18. 18's right below 19. So I can give 18 cupcakes away. Inside, outside. If I gave 18 cupcakes away, 6 people got a cupcake. So I'm going to put that up top. So 18 minus 19 minus 18 is 1. I know that I'm giving groups of 3 away. If I have 1 left over, I'm just going to keep that maybe for tomorrow, or maybe that's a snack for tonight. So that's my remainder. Now, to find my answer, if I separated all of these numbers and spread them apart, I'm going to push all of the answers back together by adding them to get my answer. So 30 plus 20 plus 6. Again, I'm going to line them up. I could do this in my head, but I want to make sure that I'm getting my place values correct. So I'm going to just quickly add them. It doesn't take me that long. 0 plus 6 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. So 56 with a remainder of 1. So this one is called area model. It's my favorite. It's pretty much the easiest way just to see everything. With Big 7, unless you take away the biggest number, you could be repeatedly subtracting multiple times and it becomes just a lot. So this one we have to write out a little bit more, but in the end we get it quicker. We only have 3 subtractions, where in Big 7 we could have really as many as like 56, because if we took 3 away each time, it would be 56 subtractions. So hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Talk to you soon. Bye.